I'm getting ready to do a hike that I've had on my bucket list for quite a few years, probably 3 or 4 years, and I finally got a permit for it and finally had decent weather to do it. It's called the Subway at Zion. And here's the morning view. It's about 8:40. Anyway, I'm having a little bit of that because originally I thought it had to be, you had to do canyoneering, which I'm not equipped for that. But I found out that you can do a different route. It's called the bottom-up route versus the top-down. It doesn't require canyoneering, but it's a long hike. For me, at least, it's probably going to be about 8 to 9 miles. And it's cold water. You got to do a lot of water crossings and just a lot of walking through water. And you also, they say it was cold. I don't like cold water. A lot of rock scrambling, which I like, but that's a lot of work. It slows you down. So this is probably going to be, they say 6 to 10 hours. I'm guessing it's going to be around 6 because I go at a pretty good pace. Anyway, I'm trying really hard to hold my camera far away because I get someone complaining about looking up my nose. So anyway, I have to hold it total arm's length. I don't have one of those little poles that people use. I try to stay, pretty lean on the equipment. I just don't want to carry all that crap. Anyway, here we go. Should be fun. So I'm hitting the hard part, or one of the hard parts. This is called the Little Girl Misery Climb, and that's the river. I think that's the Virgin River, I believe, and that's where I got to get down to, then start walking through the water up into that canyon. Well, I made it to the first water crossing, and what they told me at the Wilderness Center is that basically don't be a pussy. They didn't use those words, but they basically said try to stay in the water area. Don't try to find trails to the side. You're going to have to get wet at some point, so you might as well just buck up and do it early. So we'll see what I'm going to do here. I can get across there without getting wet. Anyway, it's beautiful. I like these kind of hikes when you're hiking down a river or stream because it's so peaceful. And this one's particularly good because it's got lots of little waterfalls. I'm not going to video every one, but this one's pretty cool. Here's one of the main features of the subway. This is, I think, the entrance to the subway. These falls have a name. They call them out, but I don't remember what it's called. I wonder if it says on all trails. So rather than follow the kids from Illinois, they are doing the upper trails over there. I figured I'm just going to walk through the water. My feet are already wet, and then you get to see all these little cool little waterfalls and stuff. Water's pretty cold, but I'll survive. Man, that's neat. See, there's the trail over there. They actually want you to go through the water. They're trying to not have people go on the trail so they can get repaired. Whoops. So we're getting close. So I think we're coming up. Oh, that's another waterfall. Yeah, this is the other second one, but I think the subway's right after this. I think. I'm pretty sure.
I want to get a picture.
Well, here it is. Beginnings of the subway. Still got a ways to go in there to get to the other parts of it, but there's the fish. So this is kind of cool. A little slot, the mini river. So just about there. Hey, there it is. Another 200 or 300 feet, and then I'll be in the subway. Incredible. There's a big old crow right there, or a raven. Hiding behind that. There he comes. They're everywhere. Everywhere I go, they're following me. So I came up through there. Kids are coming. I have to get up here and take pictures before they all swarm the place. But look at that. This is the end. Now, what you can do, if you're brave enough and you can deal with the cold waters, freezing water, is swim or wade down to the end there. And apparently there's a waterfall somewhere towards the end there. I can kind of see some waves at that very last little nook. Hang on. Man, that was butt-ass cold. You can't see it very well. The kids.
Yeah, John.
Yeah.
Holy fuck, that dude just jumped in.
We're good.
Fucking A is right.
I can't do this.
Look at John.
Is this seriously this bad?
It looks that cold. Yeah, Emmy, go.
Yep.
Yeah, Emmy.
Yep.
Yeah, Emmy. Alright, Blake. Walk in the park, buddy. Walk in the park.
No, I don't think that's that bad.
Really?
Hell no.
I mean, I definitely don't want to be like that fully in.
No, I don't want to go fully in, but
Oh, nuts just got in.
yeah, the nards aren't happy.
Can someone else go in front of me?
Yeah.
I come this We're gonna do this, John.
Fuck. No.
Oh, buddy. Buddy.
I can't. Look at the frog.
Oh, hey, buddy.
Yeah, you gotta just send it, honestly.
I don't think I can. I think I'm gonna.
Just go all the way in.
Yeah, I don't think there's any choice.
I can't hold your hand that way. Just get in, baby. Just jump in.
Oh,
Nice.
it didn't work.
Hey,
All right.
it's just right here.
Yeah, I'm gonna get going. You think I can touch the bottom one? The frog right there. Yeah, I seen him. I'm just gonna kind of go like this. Yeah, you... Yeah. I'm coming.
She crushed my foot!
Oh, you got shoes on too.
It goes like hip deep and then right here. Yeah, it's right here. Yeah.
Alright.
There's so much simpler than I thought it was like a quarter mile.
Hey, I went fully in and it helped out.
Alright. Take pictures of me. Like keep the video, press the picture button, and I'm getting the frick out.
Alright.
Hey, want to go under? Ready?
Get it in the video. Get in the video with waterfall first.
I'm about to enter the sting zone.
Oh, dude. My name's Kylie Peterson.
My name's Kylie Peterson, and I'm to enter the sting zone.
Go, buddy, go.
Oh, it's a little. Oh, shit.
Right here.
I can't touch.
Watch your feet. Alright, Blake, go. Going in. Hold it down.
Alright, there's a little hop over, and then you can.
Alright, start the video over for Blake.
Oh, I got it all in one.
Come on, baby. Go under.
Whoa, hey, no. Dude. You're the phone soaked. I'm sorry, wipe it off my hat.
Alright, go in.
Alright.
Step,
He's
and then
wiping.
swim over, and then touch.
My bad, man. I'm
No, you're good. Come on, you're good. Come on, you're good.
Let's go, Liberty!
I'm so cold.
Alright, give me. You're up next, man. That's awesome, guys. Kiss. Alright, okay, let's go.
It's stinging, I'm stinging.
Crowe, get his phone.
Video, picture of the bowl.
There's a drop.
Drop, flip over, then you can touch. Yeah, now you can touch.
Attaboy.
Oh, man. Yeah, well done.
Double bicep, yeah!
Trying to keep up with the 25-year-old.
She's still rolling. You make it like a picture from up. You use the